Global warming is a gradual increase in the Earth's temperature, generally due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. Causes of global warming are deforestation. Plants are the main source of oxygen. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, thereby maintaining environmental balance. Forests are being depleted for many domestic and commercial purposes. This has led to an environmental imbalance, thereby giving rise to global warming. Use of vehicles. The use of vehicles, even for a very short distance, results in various gaseous emissions. Vehicles burn fossil fuels which emit a large amount of carbon dioxide and other toxins into the atmosphere, resulting in a temperature increase. Industrial development. With the advent of industrialization, the temperature of the earth has been increasing rapidly. The harmful emissions from the factories add to the increasing temperature of the earth. Agriculture. Various farming activities produce carbon dioxide and methane gases. These add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and increase the temperature of the earth. Overpopulation. Increase in population means more people breathing. This leads to an increase in the level of carbon dioxide, the primary gas causing global warming in the atmosphere. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are one of the largest natural contributors to global warming. The ash and smoke emitted during volcanic eruptions goes out into the atmosphere and affects the climate. Water vapor. Water vapor is a kind of greenhouse gas. Due to the increase in the Earth's temperature, more water gets evaporated from the water bodies and stays in the atmosphere, adding to global warming. Melting permafrost. Permafrost is there where glaciers are present. It is a frozen soil that has environmental gases trapped in it for several years. As the permafrost melts, it releases the gases back into the atmosphere, increasing the Earth's temperature. Forest blazes. Forest blazes or forest fires emit a large amount of carbon-containing smoke. These gases are released into the atmosphere and increase the Earth's temperature, resulting in global warming.